First thing I'd like to attempt to do, I don't know if this has ever been done, but I understand we're supposed to have, 3 minutes. If I can move the board to open this a little bit, and I'll place on the table. I'm more or less, and I shouldn't even say more or less, but I am a voting rights expert. I've studied the issue for about 5 years. There are people who have degrees from Oxford that recognize me as one of the best authorities. I've written articles on the topic, and I believe this issue is of great enough importance. The right to exercise the franchise in a free and unimpaired manner is the preservative of other basic civil and political rights. Any alleged infringement on the right of the citizens to vote must be carefully and meticulously scrutinized. Diplo versus Hopkins, Reynolds versus Kim, so if I can move the board to have just a few more minutes, I'll keep it.
You get 3.
Right. And that's the reason.
Yeah.
Government code 25,000 acres, every county shall have 5. Alpine County has 1,200 people, they have 5. LA County has 10 million people, they have 5. Within the U.S. Constitution, within the 14th Amendment, it's never been affirmatively done, but I have a right to prevent the abridgment of my vote.
Hear, hear.
A static level of representation and a growing population invidiously values my vote. You don't care. I will say it bluntly. You don't care. New Hampshire has 1 representative for every 2,000 people. They care because they get voted out. We don't have turnover. In the state government, in the last 10 years, 1 person lost. I was told I might have made a mistake. I didn't. We have elections to say we have elections. But my vote doesn't matter. It's called abridgment. You have standards. Avery versus Midland County, that's the standard that set the cities. They, when White wrote the opinion, 7,000 counties and city government users now follow the equal size district problem. The government code, the political code that originally set the county's representation, said that the counties that have 0 to 8,000 population will have 3 supervisors. 8,000 to 20,000 would have 5, and 20,000 plus would have 7. So now you have 5. George Washington said the U.S. House shouldn't represent more than 30,000. 40,000 is tyranny. Now you will represent twice tyranny. And this is the local level. This is an embarrassment. You haven't enriched my vote. The other thing is, I'm going to present a petition. It's a quick one I put together. I'd like to have some form copy, and I'd actually like to know when we can have a hearing on this topic. You shouldn't be voting on your own districts at all. Greatest case in English history says that the common law will control acts of Parliament and shall judgment be void. For when an act of Parliament is against common right or reason or repugnant or impossibly reformed, it will control it. Because no man should be a judge of his own cause, and no one shall be a judge of their own powers.
Thank you very much.
And you are. And I would like to formally put an objection, and I'd like to ask, when should this be calendared to be heard?
That will be a decision that we make. Thank you.
But I don't have a right to a hearing upon petition.
Thank you. Your time is up.
I present a petition. Is there a process?
I will review it.
So when will this be on the agenda?
I am not going to engage in this conversation anymore.
But I think the citizens should all know.
Yeah. Oh, boo, boo.
I'll address it. It's not a judicial body.
It is.
It is not a judicial body. Your remedy, if you want to challenge the law, is across the street, you file a petition.
Ha! I got chased out when I filed mine.
To have the statute declared illegal or improper or unlawful. But this is not the body.
But you can also make your own.
We're not going to make this discussion here now.